Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the duplicate layer so you never overwrite the original. That gives you freedom to experiment. Next, make quick global fixes. Adjust exposure, contrast, and white balance to reveal the problem area clearly. Once done, crop or straighten to remove distracting edges and improve composition. This simplifies later cleanup. Make short, deliberate edits so you can compare before and after. Keep your adjustments subtle to avoid introducing new artifacts that complicate the removal step. Now you isolate the unwanted object using a precise selection tool. Trace closely but leave a slight feather to blend. Then apply content-aware fill for irregular backgrounds or use the clone stamp when texture needs manual matching. For complex edges, switch to frequency separation. Fix color and tone on low frequency, texture on high frequency. Make small, repeated strokes and sample nearby areas often so patterns remain natural. Pause and zoom out frequently to ensure the edit reads correctly at full size. Finish by inspecting at 100% and smoothing seams with subtle dodge, burn, and small cloning to match grain. Then apply targeted noise reduction or add film grain to unify textures. This hides micro mismatches. Export a high-quality copy and compare to the original to confirm natural look. If you see halos, mismatched color, or repeating patterns, undo the last local edit, reduce strength, and reapply with smaller samples. Make incremental adjustments until the fix is invisible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.